Lord Pearl, honey, this thing's so high.
Mabel, hey, how we even gonna get up in this thing?
Well, I mean, they step. Can you get down here, honey? And I can
let
just
me
step
get
up
down
here.
there and then you step.
Yeah.
Let me try that,
Yeah.
honey. Let me.
Now watch your head right here.
Oh, Mabel, honey.
Just watch your head.
Okay, I got it.
Lord, yeah, honey, I just shimmy right on up.
Lord, it's been years since I got down like this.
I help you up, honey. You ready?
Yeah, you just gonna step on
I'm
the
just gonna
back,
step
honey.
right there.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Lord, honey, you all right?
Lord, Mabel, that ain't gonna work,
Oh,
honey.
Lord.
No, that ain't gonna work.
You go over and lay flat, honey.
Okay.
You go over and lay flat for a minute. I'm
Well,
going to get up in here,
How
and then I'll
you gonna
help
be
you.
able to get up in
Lord,
there?
yeah, honey, I'll figure it out.
Okay.
I'm going.
All right,
Yeah.
honey.
All right. So I'm gonna. I gotta,
Lord, be careful, Mabel,
I
honey.
will,
It's
honey.
tall.
Oh, Lord.
You gonna be? Oh, Mabel, honey, be careful.
Well,
Lord, have
we need to
mercy.
make them steps a little bigger.
Well,
like that's
honey,
what
I
they do.
know,
That's what
I
they
know.
need to do, honey. Let me see. Whoa. I don't know how much. Lord, how we finally got up in here.
Hey, I tell you what, my.
Y'all right,
yeah,
honey?
honey. What'd you have for breakfast?
Well, you know, had a little granola, honey.
Lord,
Had a little
have
granola.
mercy. This thing is huge.
Ain't it?
Are you sure you know how to drive one
Lord,
of these
yeah,
big trucks,
honey.
Mabel?
Lord, yeah, honey.
Well,
Well,
I mean, there's an
I
awful
drive
lot
the
of.
pickup all the time.
Boy, he has a lot more buttons on this than
There's
his
a lot more.
pickup.
They got a little TV. Look here, they got a little TV.
I don't think that's TV, Mabel.
Look, they got little jeepers.
Lord.
They got little jeepers, honey.
Hey, honey.
Hey, honey, how you doing? Can you? Well,
It's not
it's
talking.
went off.
Huh.
Okay, well,
Okay, well, it don't know us.
no,
That's probably why it didn't recognize our voice. It didn't want to talk. Lord, how much it's like an airplane.
Ain't it, honey? Well, they got the little bungees in case you need to jump out and
Lord,
everything.
bells and whistles.
And these seats, honey.
Oh,
These seats.
I'm telling you what, honey, if I had one of these in the living room.
I'd never get up. I'd never get
No,
up. Bit
I
like
mean, this is
floating
like-
on air. That's what.
this
And
is-
big old mirrors too.
I
honey,
mean,
Lord.
oh, Lord, that mirror's the size of my truck
I
bed.
know it. Well, I reckon we need to get started. Seatbelt, safety first.
Hello?
Now. What is this?
Lord, I don't know, Mabel. Honey,
Hello.
I don't know.
What is that, the bathroom or something, you reckon?
I bet it is.
I bet it is.
Truck with a bathroom.
Well,
Look
honey,
here.
what-
Look
how do you-
here.
Lord. Got the little arm. What? Look at it. Look at that. It sits where you want it to.
Ain't that's upon
Well,
my
I
arm.
swear on my never.
Look here, honey, the seat belt. Look here how. Look.
That's so bright, so
Look
you
here.
can see
it, honey.
Bet you can see it in the dark too.
Cause I'm all the time
Needing.
needing to know where the seat belt is, and it's just
I
you
can't
know
find mine now. I
you
can't.
can't.
Well,
Well, honey, it should be orange too.
well, I found that. There it is. Well,
Lord,
there
don't
it is.
tear it
Lord,
up,
I know
honey.
it. I know it.
You're almost there. Mabel, honey, it's
Where
right,
is it
it's
at?
right there.
Oh well.
Yeah,
I
you-
can't see for the
Well, I
arm thing.
understand. We
can't
probably
see-
should have
yeah.
buckled before we
We
put that
probably
arm
should.
thing
We
on.
probably
But
should.
anyway,
All right,
I've never
well.
been in a big truck. Lord. Okay, well.
You ready?
Yeah, honey.
All right,
look.
let's get her. Woo.
Oh, honey.
Well, she's a
She's
rumbling, ain't she?
yeah, she's a rocking.
Well,
Okay.
all right.
Kinda,
Well,
I mean, it's smooth, but
Mm-hmm.
Mabel, watch here. There's a.
Oh, sorry,
Oh,
honey. Sorry.
honey, it's our.
So sorry.
We've
honey.
never been in a.
Mm-mm.
big
We've never been in a big
truck,
truck.
baby.
Sorry, honey. So
I
sorry.
act like it's mine.
I know it. I know it. They blowing their horns and stuff. Well, honey, you want us to pull in here and look.
Can we go through the Starbucks?
Well, Lord, yeah, honey. We can go through the Starbucks. Let me.
Can you get through there in this big truck, Mabel? Because it's.
Oh, I got plenty of room.
Are you
honey. I got
sure?
Lord, yeah, honey. I got plenty. Oh,
Oh, Mabel, honey, I think you're hitting something.
oh,
You're hitting something.
oh. Okay. I'm off. I'm off.
Oh,
I'm off. And
Lord,
we're,
I
hey,
hope-
honey, how you doing?
Hey!
Yeah, we need what you want?
Just coffee.
Just
honey.
two coffees, honey.
Something kind of calm
we're
my
on the-
nerves down.
We're on the
a little
road. We're on the big road.
bit. Yeah.
Yeah, honey. You
No,
like
we didn't steal it, honey.
No.
No.
We're just doing it for some extra money because Earl and Oscar said we had to get a little job, so we figured we could do it.
We was doing basket weaving and crocheting and stuff like
And
that, but
it just wasn't enough, I guess. So we decided we was
Lord,
gonna
maybe
drive a
lost-
big truck. What you think? Well,
I-
all right.
honey, she
how
be-
much
well-
is it? Well,
How much?
Lord, honey, I can't get to the.
Well,
hold on a minute, honey. Hold on,
Lord,
a
I
minute.
can't get it either.
Hold on, Lord.
Hey, hold on just
I'm
a
so
minute.
wrapped up.
We'll get it. We've got a little
Lord.
thing to help us.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, Lord,
You
maybe
gonna put it in there?
Yeah, Lord.
I'll get the next one.
We thought this.
I'll get the next.
Lord,
Yeah.
we thought this one through.
I know it.
Let me get
Well, I ain't
it.
never been so tangled up like this before.
Let me get it.
Okay. Oh, I believe that's enough. Oh, wait. You go, honey.
That works so
It's
much better at
Yeah,
these
well, see,
drive-thrus.
I can't lean out.
And we
because-
like never got in here.
Not
Ain't
never
no
got
way
in
we're gonna get back out till we get where we're going.
I'm just putting it in here, honey. Lord, yeah, everybody uses it. It's all right, sanitized.
Oh, and we're sanitized and baptized.
That's right. You just want to set them in there in a little tray. There you go. Thank you, honey. There's your change.
Just lay it down there, honey. We'll use it next time.
Well, hold on a minute. Okay. All right. Thank you, honey.
Thank
Have a good day now. You go church, honey.
Good.
Good, honey.
You take your little family.
Yes,
That's good, honey.
Yes.
Yes. Mabel, honey, it's right here.
Oh,
It's right. You're almost.
almost there.
Oh,
Okay.
honey.
Yes.
How long's it been since they had your eyes checked?
Well,
honey?
it's been a little while.
You
It's
might-
probably time.
Might want to
probably time.
make that
They asked me that too when I got the license for this. But
Well,
I mean, I passed it. So, I mean, I can drive. So. All right, honey, you ready?
Lord, I'm ready. So I'm
Here
going
we
to
go.
be.
Here we go.
Lord, I mean,
It drives like air, like you riding on air, don't it?
honey, is everybody just in little bitty cars
Yeah.
today, or does it just look that way
I
because
think
we're in a
they
big
are.
truck?
I think it's what it is. Lord, hey, look down there. What he's a doing?
Lord,
He's eating spaghetti. Look at him. He's
honey,
eating spaghetti.
you can't. He's got a whole plate of
He's got a
spaghetti.
whole
Honey,
plate.
don't do that and
No,
drive.
honey, it's not safe.
No.
Your hands is supposed to be on the
Mabel,
wheel.
honey, what? Lord,
No,
Mabel,
you're supposed
honey.
to have your hands on the wheel, honey.
All the time, and your eyes on the road.
Mhm. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at that little youngin' picking its nose.
Look, you can
It's
see
mama.
everything
I
from
know,
up here.
you can see it all from up here. Don't, honey, it'll hurt your brain.
Don't let, no.
No, don't do that.
Oh,
Should I honk and tell it's mama? Or is it too late? It's too late.
oh
He done
honey,
did
I
it.
wouldn't do
He
it.
done
I don't
did
even know
it.
where the horn is
I
on
don't
something
either.
like this.
I don't neither. Horn. Horn.
You think it'd work? Well,
Really
I
don't.
think it's cause the Jeepers don't know our voice. Lord,
Oh,
what was-
Lord.
did we just run over something?
No. I think it's just a bump in the road, honey. I think it's
Are
just
you
a bump.
sure?
Yeah, Lord, yeah. I didn't hear nothing squall. I think it's just,
Lord,
it's
I
just a
hope
bump.
you-
It's just a
oh,
bump.
Makes me nervous.
I
Hey, I ain't
know,
never been
I
in
know.
nothing like
I
this.
know. Here's our stop right here. Here
Is
we
your
go.
feet even touching the
Well,
pedal, Mabel?
almost. They almost touch it, but I see if I'm up on it.
Right,
If I'm up on it,
right.
I can do it. So here we go.
Oh,
Oh, wide turn. Wide turn,
sorry.
girl. Tell them to move out of the way.
Sorry, honey, back up just a little
Just a
bit
little
if you
bit, honey.
could.
Yeah.
Just back up, just look. Thank you, honey.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank
honey.
you.
Y'all go to church, honey?
He waved. I think he waved at us.
Well, he's a waving weird.
Well, maybe that's what they
All right,
do.
thank you, honey. Thank you.
Go church, honey. No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Lord, maybe park this thing, honey. I tell you, my
All right.
heart's just a
We're
pounding
here,
out of my
girl.
chest.
We're here.
We are?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
We're
thank
here.
the good Lord.
Yes, honey. Yes.
Love y'all.
Love y'all.